Welcome to Crypto Miner Consultations, Hosting, and Repairs. Today we're going to go ahead and try to fix this one ASIC here. Already had to wrestle with this board and how to repair one of these other ASICs, so we'll go ahead and get the other one repaired. So I'm going to show you how to reball this one here. Already cleaned it up pretty well. Try to zoom in for you. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to see future videos. Thanks for watching.